The most famous American foods can be found at restaurants big and small, in backyards at major events or small gatherings, and everywhere in between. They'll make your mouth water and put a smile on your face. Check out our list of mouth-watering American foods that'll get your belly rumbling. Burgers. Burgers are a central part of American food and culture. They are the main staple of many fast food places, are found at tons of other restaurants, and are grilled in backyards countrywide. We like a simple burger with onion, lettuce, tomato, bacon, mayo, and mustard. But we also like to get creative with ingredients like goat cheese and roasted red peppers. Burgers are so easy to customize all sorts of toppings and patty options. Switch up the meat and use bison instead of beef, or go for the vegetarian options with patties made from meat substitutes or alternatives. Apple pie. While burgers are iconic and found virtually everywhere, it's hard to argue that any food is more classically American than apple pie. It is a simple dessert served at many events, sold at almost any grocery store, and offered at many restaurants. Apple pie consists of a sugary apple filling, often spiced with cinnamon, surrounded by a flaky dough crust on all sides. Sometimes people will get very creative with the pie covering, even going as far as to create a lace pattern that looks like art. French fries. Potatoes are incredibly versatile, but if you asked many Americans what their favorite way to have a potato cooked is, they're probably going to say French fries. They're extremely popular as side items for nearly any dish, but especially common with burgers. French fries can be simple. Take a potato, peeled or unpeeled based on your preference, slice it up and fry it. Remove once the outside has become crispy, then throw a pinch of salt on top. Cut them into larger slices or make tiny slivers. Cook a bit longer for extra crispness, or take them out a minute early for a softer set of fries. Hot dogs. Hot dogs are a common food item found in backyard barbecues all over America. They are a cheap and easy way to feed many people, but they can also taste incredible. A hot dog is made in many ways, but they are pork or beef sausage cooked and placed between a long bread bun. People top hot dogs with popular condiments like mustard, ketchup, and pickle relish, but you can go crazy customizing them. Some like to put on hot peppers. Others reach for the sauerkraut. Some like their bun toasted, while others hate it that way. You can keep those who avoid meat by using vegetarian hot dogs. Chocolate chip cookies. There's nothing quite like eating a fresh chocolate chip cookie out of the oven or sneaking a bite of the raw dough while cooking them. The sugary and sweet combination of just the right amount of sugar, dough, and chocolate makes your mouth water. Most chocolate chip recipes are simple. Flour, sugar, and chocolate chips are the primary ingredients, but most people also throw in an egg as a binder and perhaps some baking powder and flavor enhancers. You can find chocolate chip cookies nearly everywhere in America. Almost every grocery store will have them in stock in packages and fresh baked. Some restaurants offer them as dessert options too. Curious to find out the remaining 12? Head over to our website to find out our list of most popular American foods. Subscribe to Restaurant Clicks to find out all the best restaurants in the United States and so much more.